How to clear your off Facebook activity on your account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear your off Facebook activity. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down, and here you're gonna find off Facebook activity. Now you have clear history at activity control. Click on it, and here you can clear your off Facebook activity from your account. Just click on clear history, and this is it. Now you cleared your off Facebook activity history. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.